Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Danielle Kozlowski. I'm here with Roto Curve to give you guys the weather forecast tonight for the Major League Baseball games. Again, like yesterday, we really don't have any games to honestly worry about, which is awesome because the less we have to worry about, the better. It looked a lot worse earlier this morning for a couple of the games, and those really are the only three I'm going to touch on. And that is the Nationals game, Cleveland Indians, and Cincinnati Reds. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what current radar is looking like out there. And we'll, again, like most days, have to keep an eye on it as these next few hours progress. But right now, I'm just showing you the SPC mesoanalysis of the Northeast. Here we have Cincinnati down here and then Cleveland up here. And honestly, that line of storms is kind of right in the central part of Ohio right now, and it seems to be moving just pretty slowly to the east. And so I highly doubt we'll have any issues up in Cleveland this evening. It looks like they're pretty clear for the night. Cincinnati could be a late start or a possible rain delay would be the worst case scenario there. And then these light rain showers out here close to and near DC where the Nationals will be playing. This is more of what looked worse this morning. It doesn't seem to be that bad. It looks like they should get the game in before any real thunderstorms might affect it, which is good. So one quick more thing I'll show you guys before I mention the little wind forecast, and then you guys can ask me questions on Twitter. Here is the NCEP per model out for the Northeast, and this is at 7 p.m. Eastern time, so when all three of those games are starting. And as you can see, the models kind of have Cincinnati looking quite a mess, Cleveland's in the clear, and again, DC's in the clear. And that's, it doesn't stick around in Cincinnati for very long, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, if that, and so that's why I'm thinking the late start there, if anything. And then over that next few hours, it takes a while for those storms in this HER model to kind of pop up near DC. But I honestly think you guys are going to get the game in just fine there. So good news on that end of stuff. For the wind forecast, we've got the Phillies and the A's to look out for. So at Philadelphia, we've got the winds out of the southeast blowing anywhere from 10 to 12 miles per hour out to left field. And then at the A's, we've got the winds out of the west blowing 10 miles an hour out to right center field. So keep that in mind with your lineups. And again, please, I'm sorry, bear with us. I am in the process of ordering a new webcam for this, so I apologize again. And if you guys have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to us on Twitter at WeatherDFS. I'm usually by my phone between now and the time of the lock for most of your guys' league. So feel free to ask me any questions, and I will let you know if anything significantly changes, but it looks like a good night.